So why do we care about inequality? So is inequality bad or good? Is how much inequality is good or bad? It's something to actually think about. And that's why economists try to get numbers of inequality, measures of inequality, examine how that transition over time, and see if this level that we see right now is very high compared to previous periods. Will this cause concerns or not? So what might be bad? Some things that might be bad is that could create obviously could cause social tension. And if there's too much social tension, that could actually divert resources to being used efficiently. Also, a lot of political capital could be used in inefficient ways to deal with inequalities. For instance, just debating or lobbying against each other's. So inequality could cause detrimental impact to economic growth, right? If social tension remains high. But also some argue that inequality could actually be good, right? If you need to have a certain amount of, so if you think about the extreme case where there's no inequality, everyone has the same level of income, for instance, a communist country, an ideal country, what's the incentive to work, right? There's no incentive to work hard. You will never see improved innovation, technological growth. So inequality is important in a sense to motivate people to aim higher and to pursue better things. So that's one aspect when you think about inequality that you want to have in mind. Why is it important or good? And another thing is, is inequality a natural phenomena? So for instance, if you just leave society as is, will inequality naturally grow? Or is there a ceiling that it won't grow, right? Those are things that we want to think about. And so to understand inequality, we want to look into a historical perspective over a long period of time, but also across different countries to get a sense of, okay, is this the right level of inequality, and how does this country compare to other countries?